Good morning, बच्चों. In this video, I am going to discuss binary file. As we know that what is binary file? A binary file contains a sequence or a collection of bytes which are not in a human readable format, such as images, video files, audio files, exe file, etc. Okay, and there is no character translation. There is no character translation. Therefore, binary files are easier and much faster than text file for reading and writing operation. Okay, in this video I am going to show you how to perform read as well as write operation in a binary file, and believe me, uh, it is much easier than text file. Okay, so now we know what is binary file. Okay, the content of binary file we cannot read, is it? That means uh, we have to perform read as well as write operation both from Python. Okay, hope you are understanding what I want to say, is it? Now, read and write operation on binary file. So first of all, if you want to perform read and write operation, you have to use pickle module. Okay, what is pickling? What is pickling? Pickling refers to the process of converting the structure. Structure may be list, structure may be your dictionary, okay, maybe string. The process of converting the structure to a byte stream, before writing to the file. ओके, दैट मीन्स क्या कर रहा है, वो हमारे जो डेटा है उसको बाइट में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है, और कन्वर्ट करने के बाद फाइल में राइट कर दे रहा है. रिवर्स प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज अनपिकलिंग. अनपिकलिंग क्या हो गया? इज यूज्ड टू कन्वर्ट द बाइट स्ट्रीम बैक टू द ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है ना, मतलब बाइनरी फाइल का जो डेटा है जो बाइट स्ट्रीम के फॉर्मेट में है वो क्या होता है, बैक टू द ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर में वो कन्वर्ट होता है. तो हाउ टू डू दिस? तो देर आर टू मेथड. द फर्स्ट वन इज डंप and second one is load. So if you want to perform write operation, okay, you will use dump, D-U-M-P. Dump method is used to write the object in file. Okay, use dump method to write the object in file. How to do this? Very easy. So pickle dot dump in bracket object. Object maybe string, maybe list, maybe dictionary, comma file object. As you know that first of all we have to open file. Okay, that file object you have to pass here. Okay, for example, write a program to write hello in binary file hello.dat. Okay, so write a program to write hello. To import pickle as p, first of all we have to import our module, then opening of hello.dat in wb. wb means binary file, b means binary file, b stand for binary. Please remember it. If only w means text file, wb means binary file. Now I want to write hello, so s equal hello p dot dump s means our object, comma f means file object, is it? Then f dot close. Okay, don't worry, I will show you this program on Python also. तो जब इस प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट करोगे तो hello will be written in hello.dat. Now we have to read it also. So if you want to read, with the help of load method, use load method to read the object from pickle file. Okay, syntax very easy. Object may be your string, list or dictionary, equal pickle dot load and file object. In bracket you will pass only file object. So write a program. Now example, write a program to read hello from binary file hello.dat. In previous we have written hello. Okay, same hello we have to read in our Python. So how to do this? Okay, so import pickle as p, f equal open hello.dat rb, then h may be s also, a also, does not matter, h equal p dot load, in bracket pass only f and print h. Okay, so with the help of dump dump and with the help of load we can perform write and read operation. तो चलिए देखते हैं इसको पाइथन में. Now you see program is ready. Import pickle as p, f equal open hello.dat wp, that means we are going to write what? Hello. So s equal hello p dot dump s comma f dot close. Is it? Execute. Now program executed. Okay. Now read. So import pickle as p, f equal open hello.dat rb, h equal p dot load f print h. Okay, now execute it. You can see the hello. Okay, so I think this video is clear now to perform read and write operation. Okay, अब थोड़ा सा एक चीज़ देखते हैं, गौर से देखिएगा. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस WB as AB. AB means append mode, and I am writing this by. You know that the meaning of append mode, and I am executing this file. Now that means file has been appended. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया है कि currently hello.dat में क्या है? हेलो होगा और बाय होगा. ओके, चलिए एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं अपना ये प्रोग्राम और देखते हैं क्या प्रिंट हो रहा है. ओनली हेलो. हमारा जो हेलो डॉट डैट फाइल है उसमें क्या है? हेलो भी है और बाय भी है, बट इट इज प्रिंटिंग ओनली हेलो. ओके, तो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो I will show you how to read the entire content of binary file with the help of load method. Till then, keep watching my video. Thank you.